Hello friends, this is Durga from and as part of this video we will talk about the string and most we'll primarily look at the methods that are available as part of string. So as mentioned earlier, you can actually create object of type string by using new keyword and instantiating like this. And also string is a special type of class where you can actually assign directly as well, like this. Both means same. Here s and hw are same. Okay. So now let us try to understand few methods that are available for string, because string will be used so frequently in many places. We will try to see how to use those methods effectively. Okay. So here, if you want to get substring, so for example, in HW we have hello world. Okay, so let's say I want to get only first 5 characters from this hello world. What I can do is I can type s dot. Okay, and you can see the list of methods available. So over a period of time, you will build the knack about at least identifying first few characters. But to begin with, you have to search which one might be appropriate to you. Okay, you go one after the other, and you will be able to figure it out. So you have a substring function. Substring function can be used to get some part of your string. And if you see, there are two substring functions. One is int begin index, other one is int begin index and end index. Okay, so if you want to get substring from some index, some number till the end, then you need to pass only one parameter. But if you want to get 5 characters from a particular index, you have to use the function which take 2 parameters. So let us see both. Okay, if I say substring, let's say I want to print from world. Okay, and in Java, most of the indexes start from 0, not 1. So h is at 0th place, e is at first place, l is at second place, l is at third place, o is at fourth place, space is at fifth place, w is at sixth place. So if I just want to print world, I can say s dot substring. I am pasting here, and then right click, run as Java application. You see world here. Okay, if I say 5, you will say space and world. Okay, if you want to get hello, then we have to pass two argument. So when I pass one argument, it uses one substring function. When I pass two arguments, it will use another substring function. Okay, and this is called as overloading, and we will see again, it's an object oriented feature we'll talk about later. A function, we can create functions of same name as long as the the specification of the function is not exactly same. It doesn't complain. But if you try to create two functions with a similar specification, then it will start complaining. And again, we will see that when we talk about object oriented concepts. Okay, for now, earlier I have used a different substring function which took only one argument, and from there it printed till the end. Now I am using another one, and I want to print from 0 to 5. Okay, so if it is, let me say 0 to 6. Okay, and let's see what will happen. It should print 7 characters. Okay, it did not print 7 characters. So my understanding is a bit incorrect. Let me again see the details about the function. So the way you can actually see the details, so it is actually printing the space. Okay, so it is actually printing 6 characters from the 0th index. That is the behavior of the function, uh, of the second function. Yeah, now you will see hello space w. Okay, so end index is not about where the index is ending. It's about the number of characters you want to print from the first from the index which you passed as first parameter. Okay.
Yeah.
So now go to now remove this substring function, or actually you can comment it out, and you can actually add one more system dot out dot println and see. Uh, no, comment out the complete line. So you can use command and forward slash. It will comment out.
Command forward slash.
Yeah.
Oh, all right.
Okay. Also, if you want to write a detailed description which will span across multiple lines, there is another way of commenting. You have to put forward slash star at the beginning, and you have to put star forward slash at the end. Then you can actually comment out multiple lines also. What are you looking?
I'm trying to see if
Okay, okay,
auto thing works.
okay. Println.
Yeah, println this one.
Yeah.
Interesting.
Now f dot, and you see a lot of so many functions. So now let us find the length of the hello world. No. So first go through the functions, list of functions, and figure out if there is any function which will get you the length of it.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it. So if you say s dot length, it will actually get the length of the hello world. No. It. Why are you passing 0?
Oh.
Here you are just getting the length of the hello world. So now run the program.
Huh. Coincidence.
Yeah. Okay. So that is about length. So you can go through it again. Comment this out and go to another line and type s dot and say hello world from Rishi. Using s, you have to say hello world from Rishi.
Using S.
Yeah.
Okay.
So what is that called? You already have hello world in s, and you want to add from Rishi to it.
What did I do?
What happened?
S. There's this method.
Yeah. So you should not use plus.
No. Okay.
Don't use plus.
That doesn't seem right.
So you have to say s dot
S dot.
and go to the list of the functions, and you will get to know. No, you already crossed it. So it is called as concatenation. Okay.
Oh, yeah.
So concat is the function.
And then
Yeah, you have to remove that. Yeah, that's correct. So plus and concat are same, whereas plus it's again plus is a special operator where which works on string, but actual method which take care of concatenation is this concat. So the compiler will invoke this concat when you say plus on string.
Will it work for HW as well, or is it
Yeah,
or
it will work.
use new?
No. So even though we don't specify new for HW, internally it actually uses new only. So when it comes to classes, there are only objects. So
Okay.
a string is a special type of class where you don't need to instantiate explicitly by saying new string. For any
Okay.
other class, you have to say new and that class name to instantiate an object. So here, even though you did not specify new string, still it is actually instantiating the uh, object. It's not a typical variable. HW is not a typical variable. It's a object. Okay. So these are the some of the functions: concat, length, substring. There are many other functions. For example, if I want to get the index of world, where the world is starting from the string, there is a function called instring. You can actually see it s dot.
Do another line.
Yeah,
Um, and, S dot.
yeah.
Um,
No. 1 minute. Let it fill it. So for some reason it is not filling. So what you? Yeah, now it got it. S dot in string.
in string.
Yeah. So in string means index of string. Yeah, index of. You have to use index of. Yeah. There so in Oracle and all we see we use in str function. Here it is index of. So yeah, you can use index of s.
This one.
Yeah, s dot index of. Type s dot index of, and in the string uh, you give world.
In quotes.
Yeah, in double quotes world.
Okay.
Yeah. Now run it.
Let me see. Okay.
6 because it starts with 0. World is at the 6th position.
1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4.
No, you should not count here. You have to count in the hello world. In the hello world, H is 0, E is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. World is in the 6. So we are trying to get the index of a string in the main string. So S is the main string, and in that we are trying to search if it have world. If there is world in it, what is the index of it? So index of function is to get the index of a substring within the main string.
Mm-hmm.
You got it? S is hello world, and then we are passing world to it and trying to see if it exists, what is the index, where it does exist in the main string.
Okay.
Okay. So yeah, you can spend some time by typing s dot and go through the functions after the class, and try to play with those things, and use as many as you can. And if you have any questions, you can catch up with me as part of the next class. Okay. So that being said, I will wrap up this video also, and then we will also cover decision statements as part of today's session, where you will actually see Boolean expressions and if-else constructs. Now you are actually getting into uh, programming aspects of using the if-else conditions and other things. Sorry for my daughter's